When people first started developing tools to make life easier, every single little detail of a tool had a specific purpose. Nothing they did was by accident or simply for flair. Even what was meant to be artwork had a specific purpose that had to do with either religious beliefs or common everyday activities. Everything was very intentional and nothing was abstract. Colored squares on toothpaste. Have you ever noticed that toothpaste tubes have a little colored block toward the bottom? This block may be blue, red, green, or black. If you think that this is there for the looks, you are wrong. And if you think that this tells you something about the product inside, you are also wrong. These colored blocks are read by light beam sensors during manufacturing, and they tell the machines on the assembly line where to cut and fold the packaging. Without these marks, toothpaste would be connected to one another, making it rather difficult to put any toothpaste onto your toothbrush. Arrow on gas gauge. Next to the gas gauge of most cars that have been manufactured since 2010, there is an arrow that either points to the left or to the right. This arrow indicates to the driver which side of the car the gas tank is on. If it's pointing to the left, that means that the gas tank is on the left-hand side of the vehicle, and the same is true of the right arrow and right side of the car. Most people don't need a reminder because they get used to filling their car up and instinctively know which side of the car to pull up to the gas pump. But if you ever have to drive a new car, such as a rental car, you can avoid the hassle of pulling up to the wrong side of the gas pump by paying attention to which way to the arrow is facing. Loop and back of shirt. You probably noticed that some men's shorts come with loops in the back of them. If you are wondering what in the world that mysterious loop is doing there, we are going to let you in on an interesting fact. It was the Navy who first added this feature to the backs of men's shirts. When the men were out at sea, there wasn't much closet space. In order to save on space, sailors had loops on their shorts so that they could hang them up on the hooks. In the 1960s, the fad spread popular among college students who used the loops while at the gym. They hang up their shirt on loops while working out in order to keep them pristine and wrinkle-free. Seeing an opportunity for profit, the gun company started adding loops to the backs of the shirts in order to attract their eagerly consumers. The loop became somewhat of a status symbol. Metal at the end of measuring tape. Most people experience that point in time where a family member or an annoying roommate calls them over to hold the end of a measuring tape. Have you ever noticed the small piece of metal at the end of the measuring tape? Most likely you have, but you haven't asked yourself what purpose it serves. There are actually several reasons for why the metal is there. To begin with, there is a little slot that can be placed around a nail to help hold the measuring tape in place in case somebody isn't around to hold the other end. You may have also noticed that the edge of measuring tape is a bit serrated. The reason for this is so that easy to mark a wall or other surface in case you forgot that you put a pencil behind your ear to mark your measurement. Dip in wine bottle. Most likely you have noticed that wine bottles come with a dip at the bottom. Have you ever asked yourself what exactly the reason is for this? Well, to begin with, the dip, which is actually called a punt or a kick-up, prevents the bottle from falling over. You know when you have a picnic off the beach or outdoors and oftentimes the plates of a food fly over and there is a storm of napkins erupting in the air, and then all that strong wind comes trying to knock your bottle over. Well, the punt says, "I don't think so, mister." The punt also exists in order to make the bottle stronger to hold up against higher pressure if there is champagne or sparkling wine inside. Finally, the punt makes it easier to distribute steam during the cleaning process for the wine is poured in, so you can rest assured knowing that the wine you are receiving is crystal clear. Although wine bottles are stronger nowadays, they are still manufactured with this indentation in the bottom to keep with the tradition. Holes in airplane windows. Raise your hand if you freaked out a little the first time you sat in the window seat of an airplane and noticed a tiny hole in the window. We say this not to expose you, but rather to expose the purpose of that hole. Seeing a tiny hole in the window of an airplane when you are that high up in the air can be absolutely frightening. If you are a frequent flyer, then you can stay calm. This hole doesn't allude to the fact that the window of your seat is about to explode mid-flight. First of all, the hole is called the breather hole. If you ever wondered how you are able to breathe in an airplane when it's so high up in the air, well, the breather hole plays a part here. When an airplane climbs, air pressure drops outside. Thanks to plane manufacturers, the cabin remains at a safe and comfortable level. If it didn't, we wouldn't be able to fly. The breather makes it possible for the two outer panels of an aircraft to manage with the pressure difference. Holes in padlock. There are several reasons for using a padlock, and there is a good chance that your life has required you to use one at one point or another. Have you noticed that there is a tiny hole at the bottom of the padlock? These holes, as you should have already guessed, serve as a purpose. First of all, the holes are there to drain water which was entered the lock. If this wasn't possible and the water couldn't drain out, then it could end up freezing and the lock could be prone to some serious damage. A second purpose for these holes is to allow you to pour oil in the lock in case it gets jammed and won't open up, which would make the item useless. So, if that treasure chest you dug up as a child has been jammed for years, you now know how to open it and get your hands on the treasure. But we do deserve a cut of some of that gold. Hole next to iPhone camera. If you use an iPhone, then you may have noticed a little hole right next to the camera lens. If you are like most of us, then you most likely didn't pay it much attention, as you probably use the selfie camera more anyways. Well, in any event, that tiny hole is not a second secret camera that helps Facebook and the NSA spy on you. It's actually a microphone. Since the iPhone 5 was released, all iPhones include 3 microphones. One is right under the speaker grill, one is on the bottom edge of the phone, and the third one is right next to the camera lens. Because of the inclusion of 3 microphones, it's easy to pick up sounds no matter how you choose to hold your phone. Keyboard bumps. Take a glance at any computer keyboard. Go ahead, we'll wait for you. Do you notice 2 little bumps on the F and J keys? If you have ever taken a computer class, then you may have learned the reason for why these bumps exist. But if you are like the rest of us, most likely don't have a clue. Well, the tiny bumps are there so that you can find your way on the keyboard while staring at the screen. If you are typing with both hands, they will be aligned so that your left pointer finger is on F and your right pointer finger is on J. This allows you to keep your eyes on the screen while your fingers are typing away, knowing that your hands are the correct positions. Lines of red solo cup. We've all drunk out of red solo cups too many times than we are willing to admit. We are not here to shame, we are just here to tell you something that your freshman year intoxicated self would have benefited from knowing. Did you ever notice that red solo cups come with horizontal lines inside of them? Well, those lines are actually serve a purpose. The lines tell you how much liquid is in the cup. So the first line at the bottom of the cup equates to 1 ounce or 1 shot of hard alcohol. The next line up is 5 ounces, which is the perfect amount for a glass of wine. The line at the top equals 12 ounces, which is the size of 1 beer. So when you fill your cup halfway to the top with hard alcohol, that was a few ounces too many. It seems like the red solo cup was on your side all along, and you didn't even know it. Extra holes in sneakers. Unless you've been having your shoes tied for you since the time you were born, then you have most definitely noticed the extra hole at the top of your shoes which aren't being used by the laces. Have you ever questioned why they are there? The extra holes are there in the case that people get blisters on their feet and need to move their feet around inside of their shoe. They can place their shoelaces in the extra holes but in the opposite direction. This creates a loop on each side, thus allowing you to cross your laces inside each loop. Then you can pull down on the laces to create a much tighter lock before tying your laces normally. This maneuver is called the lace lock or heel lock, and it helps make sure that your shoes remain tight to your feet. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe for more interesting videos. Have a nice day.